Hello, welcome back to Shankar's channel. Now I'm gonna show you in this video how you can restore the data. If you have any volume attached to your instance, EC2 instance, then in that case, what happens when you work in an organization or if you're performing these steps in the uh, test environment like the personal account. So, in both the ways, how you can have the data recovered. So in organization we have something called life cycle management where you have some we have AWS backup services to automatically create the backups. But what I'll do is I'll show you how you can create the snapshots, restore the data from those snapshots by creating new volume from those snapshots attached to the instance. So all these steps I'm going to cover in this video. So supposedly if I go into my machine, if I am here in the I'm going to open this PC, and without delaying I am now into my let's go into administrator that I logged into. Now, if I create a document, let's say I create a text document, new text document, and I rename it as restore data. So if I have any files saved in this machine under the C drive or under some folder, like I did it from my user under documents, this is file I would like to keep forever, and I'm gonna save it. So suppose if you have a volume attached to it, we already have, and that's how we created uh, the text file into that volume in the machine. So if you have any snapshot created, I have created the text file in the machine. Now I'm going to create the snapshot just to show you how it works. So I have created this snapshot when I after I created that text file in the volume, right? I've created a snapshot. Let's go into snapshot. What it says it is unavailable at this point because it is in pending state. Once it becomes available, then I'll show you the next steps. And let's see from the different interface how it uh, looks like. Let's see the progress. It is still pending. It is still creating the snapshot of that volume attached. Let's see what it says. It's still pending. So what I'll do, I'm gonna pause this video for a while and I'll be back once it becomes available. Alright, so now it is available 100% and status says completed. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the instance here again. I see my instance here. I see my storage here, right? So in that storage, we now have the text file. So I'm gonna go into here and I'll delete this file. And this is the intentionally deletion. But in case you have somehow the data got wiped off, so in that case, how you can restore if you have the available snapshots. So before this deletion, I already took the snapshot in the volume of the volume, and if I go into volume, I'll say I'll go into volume using this. Now I have gone into snapshots. What I'll do, I'll create a new volume from this snapshot. New volume, snapshot. I'll keep the availability zone as same. Create volume. I've created another volume. This is available, and I'm going to attach this available volume to my instance as an external volume. So I have what I did is I created the text file, I created the snapshot, and now then I deleted the uh, text file from the Windows instance. Now I'm going to, if I have to restore that file, what I have to look at whether we have the available snapshots. That is important part or important aspect of getting your data retrieved. So now I created, with the help of snapshot, I created another volume, and I'll attach, or I have attached to the instance, which is Windows instance. And now if I go here, like I showed you in my last video, if you go to your disk management, it's circling. Okay, disk mgmt.ms. Okay, I messed up with this. Okay, mtmc. So I have, like, sure you have attached a new volume. Now it is online, and I, okay, now if I look at here, okay, I have this. And if I go into the users administrator and the documents, do you see I now can see the restored data file? Let's see what we have in it. Okay, we have the same content as we saved. So what I'll do, I'll either cut or copy this content to my original source where I saved it, under users administrator documents, right here. See, that's how you can retrieve your lost data, and you can do it with the help of available snapshots. So the important part I wanted to let you know is, when you work in an organization, you must, if you're handling AWS and if you're launching instances, make sure when you hand it over to the project team or team who will be taking care of that instance, if they like to have the data backed up, just create the snapshot, either set up the automated snapshots or create the manual snapshots if you are handling a small project or a small account, like a small company, startup, something like that. So I'll cover in detail how to set up the automated backups in my coming videos. So thanks for watching.